Hi, I'm Austin with Whissel Realty Group. Welcome to 1213 Holly Street here in beautiful Oceanside, California. This home is over 1,300 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and super close to the beach. One of the features of this home is this freshly painted deck that overlooks beautiful ocean view sunsets. The backyard features a concrete foundation, new turf, and a fire pit for year-round entertaining. For more information on this unique home, give me a call. Austin Michelle at Whissel Realty, 619-665-3352.